Hello again, Mary Regan with Wayside Kitchens. And this morning, I am in this beautiful morning. I am in Littleton, Massachusetts, where we are doing an amazing kitchen renovation for a 1990s old kitchen. And today is, guess what? Floor day. And the wood floor guys are here. And I wanted to come into the space and see what it's looking like. So I'm gonna take a look. Come along with me as I come in to see what's happening today. I'm Mary Regan, kitchen designer at Wayside Kitchens. You can find me helping clients take their dated old kitchens and transform them into beautiful new kitchens that they love because they fit their homes and lifestyle much better. If you're ready to start your kitchen remodeling journey or just enjoy watching home transformations, you are at the right place. Come join me. All right, so the wood floor guys are here doing the floor work, and this is looking really good. However, we did find a little something. This register right here, and we're weaving in the wood floor into the dining area that is smack in the middle of the beautiful wall here that's being taken out. So we are going to have to move it. So I already made the phone calls to the HVAC guy, and he is telling us to just go ahead and cover it, and he will take care of it next week. So this is all good. So this is a short video because I don't want to take anything away from these guys. And I see that my electrician came by and put the wires up in the beam so that it's out of the way of my floor people. So this is really looking amazing and awesome. Look at that. They're weaving the floor. This is that kitchen that we found that the floor was not installed under the cabinets. So, all right. And look at that. A nice pile of red oak in here. So this is looking good. And I'm going to take off and let these guys continue to do their work.
Wow. Nhiều hơn này. Hai con.
This is awesome. Good morning. Welcome to day 2. Oh, well, hello, kids. Oh, there they go. All right, perfect timing to close this. There we are. Perfect. Those guys, they're so cute, but I don't want them to get hurt in the job site. So welcome to Littleton, Massachusetts. Good morning, Mary Regan with Wayside Kitchens. And this morning, again, bright and early, I'm over in Littleton at our amazing home transformation, another amazing project. And this time I'm catching up with the floor people who are here doing the floor work, and I'm gonna go in and take a look at what is happening here at the end of the week. They this is I think day 4 of them putting finish on the. All right. Before I step on those beautiful floors, why don't we do this? All right, can I go? Yes, sure. I'm good. I'm good. I'm not gonna mess anything up. All right. So this is my first time. So this floor had a dark stain on it, so it was looking all different. But these guys have done an amazing job, and you can't really tell from the old floor and the new floor. I think they did the sanding already, and they're getting ready to apply the last coat of finish, which is awesome. I think they must have come in the mornings and do the one coat and then come back, because we're taking advantage that the homeowners are away during this work, so that they're not being interrupted. They're away in Florida, and we're taking advantage of them not being here. So this is sanded now, so that's why they didn't want me to step on the floor. But once they put the coat on, I think it's going to be the satin finish. And I am super excited at how pretty this is coming out. So much nicer. We did, they did all the rooms. Oh my God, this room looks awesome. This was a pre-finished floor, and they took that really dark stain that was on it, and now it blends much better with the rest of the house. So this is beautiful. And what else did they do? They added the stairs, and so now those are nice and finished. And upstairs the hallway. Are you sure? Okay. All right. So these guys are awesome. They're letting me step on their floor. Wow. This looks great, guys. Exciting. And they too beautiful. Very good. Wow. Brand new house again. This is awesome. This is how you breathe new life into a house. Oh, perfect. Well, thank you guys. This looks awesome. Thank you. This looks fantastic. And it's not even 9 o'clock in the morning, and they already finished sanding the floors, and they're ready to put the last coat. And I think my clients are going to be thrilled that this the floors are always a nightmare for everyone, because it's never a good time to do the floors. So they're going to be super thrilled that this nightmare is over right now. So thank you for joining me, and I'll be back again next time. Bye bye for now. Bye.